system. Okay, and if you have the cash, always cash is by default. So, and if other method you have to select. So maybe customer give 1,000, I put the 1,000 and keep the invoice one. Basically this one is my paid invoice. Sorry. Okay. So maybe this one, I click here and then now I'm paying invoice. So basically this is my paid invoice one. Okay, you can see this is the paid invoice. So basically this is the process to create the bill, and this is the basically POS system one. So and if you have the payment pay first, this is the find and restaurant activities. But if you have the pay first system, then it's more quick actually. Take one vanilla cake, take one Pepsi, and here waiter, table, or everything we can make optional. From here you can see the POS setting. From the POS setting, you can make the like place order, which option you need to like mandatory, which option need to optional, everything we create from here. Like our system is fully dynamic. After train, I think as an admin, you can you can manage like what things is need, what things is no need, and which one like what time, and everything we can manage from your side. So from here, this option basically you make you can make all optional. So for optional like quick order, you just click the quick order and you take the token from here. After that, click on yes and bring the you the billing section. Okay, come here, maybe mobile card payment, you select the card and select the bank, which bank, and just pay now and pay invoice. So pay first option, you can make your bill more quick. And for dine, basically dine is always bit lengthy, because you know sometimes customer take more time. He come first time order, then add more, then finally he asks for bill. So basically this is the our POS activities one. After that, as a salesperson, he can close the counter close option from here. After here, you can check how much is the cash payment, how much is the card payment, and check the close the register, and he can bring that day closing report. So day closing report, you can see which date he opened and what time he opened and closed, and username, which counter he used, and like your total sale, everything you can check. Which item he sold already, everything you can check from here. This is the basically day closing report. So so thus I talk about the POS activities. So if you have any question, you can write, or if you have any quick question, you can ask me regarding this POS system. Do you have any question?
Yeah, guys, you have any questions, you can ask now. So
regarding this POS system, if you have any question, you can ask.
Yeah. Are you guys okay for the moment? I mean, Raman, how about you?
Yeah, Richard, all good here. Thank you.
You're all set, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So if POS is okay, then I'm going to show another function. That one is food management. Like you guys see the POS, all item, all price. Basically, this all item name, item photo, item price, everything come from this food management. If you want to add any food category, everything you need to add from here. Like maybe I add one pizza. So if I add pizza, so first of all I need to add a category. I add a category pizza. Okay. If you have any photo like icon, everything you can add from here. Even okay, I open the POS again. Basically, when you open the POS at the morning, POS system will be asked which counter you're going to use and how much your petty cash, means morning or shift opening, you have some change amount. That one you can keep. Okay, 1,000 is my change amount. Okay, I add opening. So you can see here, like this is the category list. So from the category list, when you add the category, you can select which color you want to show here. Okay, I choose the color. Okay, I put this color, and here you can see here I have the category icon, food item icon, everything you can add from here. Okay, even I like later I discuss about website. So website, if you want to, if you want website, means online, you don't want to sell this pizza, you can make this visibility from here, like not visible on website. That means this pizza option don't have in the website. Okay, so later actually slowly I discuss about it. So I create the one category. After that, create the category. When I add the item, I have to go the manage food. From the manage food, I have to go add food. From add food, I have to select which category. Just now I add the pizza. And kitchen, which kitchen I want to print or I want to display. That one I have to select. Okay, I select the kitchen food. Food name, I put the chicken pizza. Okay, chicken pizza. Food code, if you have, you can put. Okay, I put 1001. Food variant, like chicken pizza, if you have a small, large, you can add it. And if you have the 8-inch, 6-inch like that, okay, 8-inch, I put 8-inch. 8-inch, I put price for 200. If we have more variant, we add the more variant. Okay, and that's now the 10-inch. And I put it 250. Okay, then if you have the food item picture photo, you can add from here. If you want to keep any description or any components note, everything you can add from here. Okay, so I add pizza. So you can see if I click here now. So you see already this pizza category here, and if you click on the pizza category, you can see here have the chicken pizza. And if you click on chicken pizza, you have get two variants like 8-inch and 10-inch. Okay, so this is the way how to add your food. Okay, so I already show you the two functions. One is how you can manage your POS and POS setting, also how you can maintain your option. You can make all option optional, or you can make it mandatory, everything. And another function is I show you already the food management option. Okay, how you add food, or how you add the food category, food name, food price, everything. Okay, so after that, the next function is inventory. How you can maintain your inventory. For inventory, you have to maintain three options. Like first of all, you have to add your all ingredients name. These ingredients names you can add from the setting from unit measurement to ingredient list. From this ingredient list, you can add two way. One is one by one. Another one, you can make the Excel file by this format. You can download the format also from here, and we can upload the bulk way. Okay, so if I add the single ingredients from here, you have to understand two things. One is storage unit. From here, the storage unit maybe okay. I want to add the one ingredient is named chicken. Okay, I put M for make it unique. Okay, chicken. So this storage unit means how you storage the chicken. Okay, if you storage the chicken by box, you write here box. Okay, and this is the unit name. This unit name means how you buy from the market, like super shop. If you want this chicken, if you buy by kg or kilogram, liter, how you want to buy, you just select this kilogram or piece. Like chicken have so many options, like chicken boneless, chicken legs, chicken wings. So this is the unit name you can add from this unit measurement list. So how you want to buy, you add the unit measurement list from first. Okay, so if I buy the chicken by kilogram, I select the kilogram. And conventional quantity mix, I put storage unit in box. That means I storage the chicken by box. So how many kilogram inside one box? Okay, so this is the that one is the conventional quantity. Okay, so I put the one box have 10 kg. Restock level means when you want to get the notification from the system, like stock level. Okay, I put when I have 5 kg in my stock, system will be notify me. Okay, and I put active. Okay, this is the way how you can add the ingredients one by one. Okay, but if you add the bulk system, when you download this the sample or download CSV format, that one will automatically you can see, okay, in the Excel file. Okay, so for inventory, first step you have to add the ingredients list. After that, this is the purchase here. Okay, from the purchase you can manage your supplier also here. You can see the supplier manage. From the supplier manage you can add your supplier data, like normally you buy from which supplier, you can add his data. Like I put here the supplier name is maybe Bahar 100. Okay, I can keep his phone number, everything, address, like all data actually as a client, how much data you need to keep from the supplier, you can keep here. Okay, so I add the supplier. After the supplier data, you have to go this manage purchase. From this manage purchase, you click on the right side on the top here, had the add purchase. From add purchase, you have to first of all select the supplier name. So this data basically one time. You add the ingredients name is a once. If you add the supplier name is always once. Like you no need to add every day or every time when you purchase, you no need to add. Like my supplier data is Bahar is always here. How many times I buy, I just select the Bahar and put the salan number. And if I buy chicken, maybe I buy chicken like just now I add this chicken meat, chicken, and this invoice payment will be due. If you have you will be keep due, you have to select the due payment. If you want to pay in instant, then you have to select the cash payment. So if bank, then you also can select from here. Okay, if I keep the due, okay, I select the due. After that, now you can see quantity means how many kilo I buy. Okay, I buy 100 kilo. Okay, and you can see the storage quantity 10. That means I tell the system already I storage the chicken by box, and inside one box I have 10 kg. So whenever I put the quantity 100, system automatically calculate I have to keep inside 10 box. 10 box inside have 100 kg. Okay, and this is the unit rate. I put the chicken per kg is 160. Okay, so if you buy so many things from the supplier, you can add more. Okay, you can make that proper invoice. Okay, so I show you by one ingredients first. Okay, so I just submit. So this is the step 2. So I already show you, first of all you need to add the ingredients from setting to unit measurement, and then from sub purchase you have to add your supplier name and phone number. Then you have to create the purchase from this manage purchase, and right side on the tab on the top have the add purchase function. Okay, so I already bought 100 kg chicken. So if I want to check the weekly report, I have to go this report. From this report you can check all purchase report or stock report, sales report, everything. Later I will brief everything, but now I just show you my stock report. So from this stock report you can check. If I select the available and search, okay, you can see just now I buy the chicken. See, system already told me my chicken last price is 160. I bought is one in quantity means 100 is just I bought, and I have the closing stock also this one. Okay, even system also tell me how much is my closing stock valuation. So every day after purchase you can check as an admin how much your last closing and what's the value for that. Okay, and every day your out quantity, in quantity, that means this one in quantity means how much I buy today. Okay, and this is my closing stock report means how much is I have after the day close or everything. Okay, so this is the stock report ingredients. Okay, so I only show you step 2. Finally you have a stock deduction function. So a stock deduction can be by two way. One is automatic by make the recipe. So this is the production system. From this production system, just now I have my stock have 100 kg chicken. So now I tell the system, okay, I select one item from here like chicken special burger or chicken pizza. Chicken pizza. So I go into recipe for 18C and I tell system for this I use chicken meat. Okay, I tell I use 200-gram chicken for this item. Okay, and I submit. Okay, so you can check how much your cost for this item. I go production and production set list. You can see this chicken pizza 8 inch. My production cost is 32 and my selling price is 200. You can see the description also here, how much chicken you use. Even like recipe here, you can add. Like I keep only one ingredients, but you can make your full recipe, like how much chicken you use, how much oil you use, everything. You can make it like proper one recipe. Okay, so I just show you by one ingredients to chain quickly, because we have also time limit. So I just show you by one ingredient. So if my one ingredient is working, then if you put the 5, 6 or 10 ingredients also working same way. So after that, make the recipe. I go pause again. Okay. Okay. So I show you my last closing stock is 100, and I tell the system I use 200-gram chicken for each chicken pizza. So now 8 inch I sell 5 pizza. If I sell 5 pizza, that means from my stock 1 kg chicken need to deduct. So I make the bill and you see the report. Okay. Okay, I think something wrong here. I think I forgot to enable the setting. Okay, so whenever you want to you want to calculate the inventory automatically, that time you need to select this need to enable this production setting. Okay, so after that, if I say again, okay, sorry, I forgot to enable that one. Okay, from here now, if I sell 5 chicken pizza. Okay. Okay, see, after 5 sell the 5 pizza, system already deduct 1 kg chicken, because I tell the system each pizza I use 200-gram chicken. Okay, and system also show this our deduction is 1 kg, and show system also how much is my stock deduction value and my closing stock value. So this is the process of inventory management automatically by recipe system. So first step, if I repeat, you have to add the ingredients from setting to ingredients from the unit measurement. Then you have to make the purchase. After that, you need to make the recipe. After recipe, you have to open this production setting enable. Then if you sell, after sale, if if you assign 100-gram chicken or 1 piece egg, everything is by your sale, stock will be deduct automatically, and end of the day you can see your stock valuation and stock quantity, everything you can check from your report is stock report ingredients. This is the automatic system one. Another option is by assign inventory. So assign inventory means, like if you have the 2 kitchen, that means maybe main kitchen and another is kebab area or whatever, you can assign inventory from here. Like that one, maybe that time your recipe don't work. So by maybe your chef give you the requisition, he need 100 kg chicken or 20 kg chicken. So you select the kitchen 2, and you can see the chef name here. Okay, kitchen 1, you can shape the you can see your shape name, and you select the item from here, like chicken. You have 99 pieces stock. They give you requisition for 20 kg. You put that 20 kg and submit. Okay, so that means it's no recipe. It's automatically shape give you requisition and you pass them. So this report also you can see from here, like all kitchen stock report. From all kitchen stock report, you select the date and search. Sorry, raw ingredients. You can see. You can see this the main this chicken meat. I bought 100 kg. My deduction is 21. 1 is like by recipe 1, and 20 kg I give the kitchen 1. Is here is the stock 1, and you also can see two types of stock report. one is without kitchen stock, one is with kitchen stock. So you can see the without stock, without kitchen, how much your main stock is this one, and with kitchen you have this one. Even if you want to check by kitchen by kitchen, that one you also can do from here. Like you go the kitchen stock report. From this kitchen stock report, you select the kitchen one, from date and search. You can see this kitchen one have chicken meat, this one, chicken, this one, and how much is the valuation, how much you use, you can see here. Even if you use this assign inventory, like this kitchen one, Mr. Hafiz take chicken meat 20 kg. After that, end of the day, he can give you the consumption. Like I give you 20 kg, but how much he used? Okay, from here he can select the kitchen one. Okay, and the raw ingredients, select the kitchen meat. Okay, I give him 20 kg, maybe he used 10 kg, and wastage is 2 kg, maybe expire or something. Then he can submit. Okay, so then you can see the report here, like kitchen stock report. Kitchen stock report, here I select the kitchen name and date. Okay, so you can see chicken meat, I give him 20 kg, he used 12 kg, used 10 kg, and 2 kg is waste. And this is the value of used ingredients. So our inventory management by two way. One is automatically by recipe, another one is by assign or manual system by decretion from the shape. So this two, any like you need to use any one. Like if you use the recipe one, then this assign inventory cannot use. But if you use the assign inventory one, then recipe one is cannot use. But you can make the recipe one. And if you use the assign inventory, but if you want, you can make the recipe. That one is help you to see how much your production cost and how much your selling price. So this is the process of inventory management. So inventory management, we have three steps. One is add ingredients, purchase, and make recipe or assign inventory. So if you guys have any question, you can ask me regarding this inventory management. Hello. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, if you have any question regarding this inventory management, you guys can ask.
Okay, so guys, do you have any questions regarding the inventory management? And you can ask to Mr. Bahar.
Yeah, guys, what do you think? Have you any other questions that you can ask? You can clarify from itself now. Bahadur, looks like they don't have any questions, so I think you can proceed further. I mean, so.
Okay. So if you guys have no question, that will be good. So I think you guys understand very well. So, yeah. But still, if you have any, you can write down. We can discuss it later. No problem.
Yeah.
So the next function is accounting. So for so beginning accounting, so I want to highlight three things. Like as a restaurant owner or restaurant management, you will have three functions. That one is connected with your accounts. One is sales data, another one is purchase data, and another one is overhead expense. So whenever you start using this system, you can tell the system how you want to push data in accounts. Like you can see some account software is like that. End of the day, as an accountant, he get the data from salesperson, he will get the data from purchase people, and from others expense he get the conveyance bill, invoice, or blah blah blah. Then he put the manually data and he make the recipe like trial balance, balance sheet, everything. But from our system we make it easier. Like when you start using from this application setting, you can declare the system how you want to push data in accounts. If you tell, okay, vouchers posting for sale is auto, vouchers of approval for purchase is auto, voucher approval for sale, voucher approval for purchase. If you make all data is auto, then end of the day you no need to do anything. Just you do the sale, you create the purchase data is automatically hit on your accounts and create your daily report, like daily trial balance sheet, and your profit loss, everything created automatically. Only one things you need to do from the accounts, that one is overhead expense. Overhead means expense means if you have any conveyance bill, any supplier payment, that one you have to create from the accounts and vouchers. From these vouchers you need to just remember two small things. All expense is debit voucher. So any expense, like you give someone conveyance bill, you pay the supplier, you pay the staff loan, everything, this any types of expense, that time you create the debit voucher. Any types of income, that one you create the credit voucher. And journal voucher normally using for like you take the VAT from the customer, but end of the day, by end of the month, it will be paid to the government or someone. That time you create the journal voucher. So any payable things you have to manage from this journal voucher. And contra voucher normally using for exchange, like every day you sell $1 lakh or taka, that one will be received by cash or card, but end of the day you can see you have 20,000 cash. So what will be happen? I think you keep or you transfer the bank. So if you transfer the bank, that time you use this contra voucher and you put the exchange things here. Like I select the cash. Okay, I cash maybe 20,000. I pass the bank, like Citibank, I pass them 10,000. So that time you use this contra voucher. Any types of expense, okay. Just now I purchase from supplier Bahar 100. Now I'm going to check his ledger. How much is the due, or what the financial relationship with him. So I go the financial report and check how much is the due with him. So I go the sub ledger and I check the supplier and select the supplier payable, select the supplier name, and I can search. Okay, this is the financial data with him. Like it's still 16,000 due. Yeah, actually he can get at this money from me. So maybe end of the day he come with the voucher. So now I'm going to pay him 6,000. So that time I create the debit voucher. Okay, I select the debit voucher and I select from here is the supplier. Okay, supplier payable. You can subtype, you can automatically see the supplier name. I select the Bahar 100. Okay, maybe I pay him 5,000 taka. Okay, this the next function, how you going to pay. Okay, maybe I pay from cash. So I select the cash and keep the credit is 500 and I submit. Okay, so you can see this the from this application setting. Application setting, I keep this voucher approval from account, I keep it manual. This manual means I create this voucher. If any of my staff create this voucher, that one will be pending on voucher approval, and I have to approve this voucher from here. Okay, click and I check approval. Okay, if I approve this system, then you see my supplier ledger now. He was pending 16,000. After paid 5,000, now is automatically adjusted. You can see I purchased this amount, I paid this amount, still due is this one. Okay, from here same way you can manage your delivery agent, supplier, then your employee, customer, all ledgers you can manage from here. Okay, this is the accounting thing. So from here you can manage everything. If you manage everything properly, end of the day, the importance reports you can select from here, like trial balance. If you go the trial balance and search with opening balance, you can search from here. Okay, I just hide the zero things. You can see how much inside your cash. That means I explain the I expense like Uber, how much I have, that more than I expense already. Visa card, how much I have, who is bank, how many you have, then all like your VAT payable is how much, your supplier payable is how much, everything you can check from here. So like this, you can check also profit loss. Profit loss here, you also can check quickly how much your like each system only tell me I have the net loss is this amount. But here I have two function. Okay, these two function is very important. Profit loss calculate only sale minus your purchase, then system show you is loss or loss. Oh, sorry, loss or profit. Okay, and income statement show you more details, like maybe I purchased 20,000, but I not expense 20,000 ingredients one day. Maybe I have a stock. I have like some asset or everything that reports you can check from income statement, like your sale, your stock valuation, your expense, your payable amount, everything calculate, then show you system your net loss or your profit. Okay, and balance sheet is as usual. You can check your balance sheet like two way you can check it with CG guess, or you can T-shape also you can check how much what they happen on your balance sheet. Okay, this balance sheet you also can have the zero things and you can check. Okay, so this is the balance sheet one. So accounting system, we have some special option, like from beginning you can add your financial year or ending financial year, predefined head accounts. Basically this is by default, you can get it, but this function we keep for incident, like sometimes you pay the supplier or you receive the money, but somehow you forget to select the payment method, or select the or you forgot to select the payment method, or receive payment method. That one you keep the predefined head one. That one, if you do any mistake, the system automatically take data with this function. Okay, they like post sale going to which option, then bank payable going to which function. That one is the predefined, and you can get it by default. You no need to do anything in this system. In case you not mass expert, if you have the mass expert, or you have to adjust, because if you delete any ledger or you add one ledger, that one you need to organize from here, or organize nicely, otherwise your accounts report become the error. Okay, and balance opening, like when you start using our system, if you have in any types of amount, or any like you like opening balance, like if you have any expense, like supplier get 20,000 from you, you have who is bank like 20,000, you have cash, all opening balance you can add from here. And account inside accounts is most important is chart of accounts, but our chart of accounts is more like like this chart of account is more dynamic, like you can add your way. So like you can see the some account software that on this chart of accounts can be fixed, but our one is dynamic one. If you want to add any option, or you want to create any ledger, you can create your way. Okay, so basically this is the account system. So if you have any question regarding accounts, because our account system is more smooth, because we keep the simple from the beginning, like from the application setting, you already can you minimize your work, like you no need to do anything, you no need to approve the vouchers daily. You just create the sale is automatically hit on our accounts, purchase the data is automatically hit on your accounts. So end of the day, sale, purchase, and overhead expense all calculated by your financial report. Create the report here, like trial balance, profit loss, everything automatically created. So this basically this is the account system. So if you guys have any question regarding accounts, you can ask me, or if you have any concern point. Okay, you guys have any concern point, or I just hello.
Hello.
Oh, if you have any question regarding accounts.
Yeah, guys, what do you think about it? Do you have any questions regarding account section?
No questions here from me, Ruchira. Thank you, Baru.
Yeah, okay,
Okay.
Rama. So what about
Okay.
others?
Okay, so
Mishana? Chapuil? How do you feel? Usha?
Questions about this.
Okay. So you all said, yeah. Yeah, you can proceed, Bahrul. No problem.
okay, so after accounts, our next function is human resource. This human resource, like you can see on the pause, we have this waiter name list. Like here, you can see the by drop down is waiter. Then you have, if you need to create the sales ID, or if you like any types of user or employee, whenever you hire or start working with you guys, so that time you can create the employee list from here, like human resource from HRM. From HRM you can add employee. So from this add employee, you have to keep like memorize few things. If you think this the like waiter normally they no need to use your login unless you use the app. If you have the app, that time is the different, they need the user name, user email and password. But if any user, like they only maybe employee of your company, but they no need to like separate login, that time you no need, just you keep the name, and all data is like register one is mandatory, you have to give this data. But if they need to log in, like salesperson, they must need to log in, so that time you using email here, that email will be his the login email, and give password is here, this password will be his login password. Okay, if I create the one, okay, I put the demo, okay, and I keep the demo at the gmail.com. Phone number can be one. Okay, and if this demo is my waiter or salesperson, he need to log in future, that time this email I need to keep here. Okay, and password I create 1 2 3 4 5 6. From the next page, you have to remember here is the two option division. So if you create the waiter, you always select the waiter. If you create the sales manager, you have to select the sales manager. For chef, you have to select the kitchen manager. And from here, designation, for waiter, you have to select waiter. For salesman, you have to create the salesman. And for the chef, you have to select the chef. So these two option is important. So from first page, like if he need to log in, that time you put the login email and password. And from this personal info, this division and designation is important. Others all option is like you can put your way, like you can put the exact one or you can fake one, is up to you. So system is no like not stop you here, like you can put your data by exactly right one or wrong one, so it's up to you. Okay, I just use the fake data. I go the next. Okay, so you see now I create one waiter. So now if I go now pause, I can see drop down is another one. Okay, sorry. So if I create the waiter list is perfect way, that one is automatically come here. So for the salesperson also same things. If you want to create the salesperson from the next this positional info here, you need to select the division and designation right way. Then you can see his data. Okay. For the salesperson, so for the salesperson have the few extra option. That one you have to create the role from here. So you need to assign with the role. This is the assign role. Like if any salesperson, he will be assigned with this boss. Then you need to give his food management. Like if we have the 100 food, you need to give the access the salesperson whose item he can sell. Okay, demo, you have to select the item. Then another one, you need to give the post access also. Like you give the this post access role. Like when you pause, you can see this pause system here in ongoing have so many functions. But if you want, for the salesperson, you don't need to give cancel any others function. You have to minimize. You need to minimize from here. Okay. For the post access role, you select the name and you select the option from here, which one you want to give them or which one you don't want to give. So here you need to select the function from here. Okay, so for the salesperson, it's bit like you need to follow few steps. After that, create his insert the employee data, then you need to give the post access role permission assign and the food item access and the post access post role access. Okay, then he can access and he can see his the own own interface by his user email and password. Okay. And from the human resource also have some option like attendance. At this time, attendance is manual system for single check-in and single check-out. So like I create this demo. So if I select that demo, maybe he just now start working. I just give the signing. So when you go back, I just click on the checkout. This automatically checkout. And for salary things, you can select the payroll and you can set up the salary. You can see the monthly deduct report, salary advance, and you also can see the leave application, leave annual leave application, everything you can see by normally inside one human resource function, whatever function is needed, that one we can see here. So basically, it's important things is like add employee and attendance and end of the payroll system. So all these functionalities we have inside our human resource function. So when you start using our system, that time you also can see more smooth. And if you need any extra function, that one will be here. Like whenever you start using, you can see actually which function you need and which one is basically so much no need so much. That one you can skip it. So this is the normal functionalities is here, like add employee function, attendance function. Attendance is normally manual, and payroll and the end of the month you can create the or generate the salary. You can manage the payroll from here. So basically this 4 important function I already show you. One is POS. POS is connected to the food management. That one I also show you how you can add the food in the system with prices. Another one is inventory and accounts and HRM. And another one I can show you this website. We also provide the website. This the website interface is this way. So you can take the online order from here. Like if you have restaurant name is XYZ, you can buy a domain xyz.com, and that domain you can connect it with this IP. So if your customer going to search like www.xyz.com, they can say your menu, say your about, contact, everything. And if you want to create the order, like if like Food Panda or anything, he can create the home delivery or dine or pickup order. That one will be hit on here, like online order. Okay, online order, all website through order can feed here, and here also got the 2 function is accept or discount function. So only accept order is going to print in kitchen or display on the kitchen dashboard. Okay, and our another function is like QR order. If your restaurant have 20 table, so at one table is automatically one QR code generated, and you can keep this code in on the table and can write some note like scan this QR code for make order or see menu. So as a customer, he just scan this QR code by his own phone, and he can see 2 options: see the menu or give the Google review. Okay, so Google review you can connect with your Google address or Google Map address, so automatically he can give you review. Otherwise, if he want to create the order, so you can go to menu and create the order. That order also hit here is QR order. Okay, that one is basically we call contactless order. Okay, so this is special function here, and this website, other this banner or all communication data, color setting, everything we can do by this same admin panel. Okay, so by this admin panel you can manage these things also. Okay, so another small functionalities, like if you have the tax setting, you can add the tax setting from here. How much VAT you taking, everything, your the tax or tax verification number, everything can add by your site. If you have no tax, you can make it 0, so no tax applicable. Or if your restaurant have inclusive or exclusive VAT, that one also you can enable from this here. Okay, and from setting, like you can see, whenever I order, I select the table, so you can add the table from here. Your table name or table which name you want to use, you can add your table name from here. Area, everything can create by your own choice. And select the payment method. If you have the payment, normally we have this all function, some function is Bangladesh, inside Bangladesh is enabled, but if you want to create on your way payment method, you can do, you can enable or disable from here. And keychain, you can select the keychain name, everything you can create by here. And bank list, everything. Invoice template, like I show you some invoice, so we have 3 invoice template here. You can design the invoice template from here. Your logo, your name, whose data you want to show, the website link or everything you can do from here. So basically this is the overall system from us. I show you the most useful functionalities, but if you have any concern point or any others function normally you used to that, you can ask me, I can show you that one. Okay, basically that's all from our side. So now is your time, or your if you have any question, you can ask me.
Yeah, Baharul, now in the third subscription, basically now the waiters and customers and kitchen app, so they can be connected through the system through a mobile app, right? So if
Yes.
you can show me how they will get connected to the system, so that will be a
Okay. So basically, for waiter app, we provide you the user APK. APK means waiter app. We, maybe Tohit sir will provide by WhatsApp. So after that, you get the waiter app. You just install on your phone. After that, after install the phone, you go this setting. From setting, you go this server setting. From here, if you want to going to connect waiter app, you scan this QR code. Okay, after QR code, same way, I just now you see I create one waiter by name demo. That time you use the demo@gmail.com email and password 1236 123456. So after scan, you just write demo@gmail.com and password 123456. But that one is like demo user. You can create your user own name, like your staff name. If staff name is Rahman, you create the Rahman@gmail.com. But if you want to keep the valid email, also can. So this is the process to connect waiter app in the system. So you understand this, or I repeat again?
Yeah, no, that will be great. Yeah. So, guys, do you all have any questions? So then, if you have any questions, you can ask now.
This waiter app is this way. For kitchen app also same way. That you scan this kitchen app, and when you create the employee from the HRM, that time you just remember division and designation. Division will be kitchen manager and designation will be chef. Then he scan this QR code and keep his user login and password, and then he can see his activities on the phone.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can say that. So that's great. Yeah, Baharul. So I think everyone is okay for the moment. So if guys, do you all have any questions for the moment? So you can ask Baharul right now, or Baharul, if you could share with us your contact details or any other thing, so then they can. So if they have any questions, they will get back to you. So just share with me.
I think these things, with us have Tohit sir. He will provide you the contact number, or he can create the WhatsApp group. That one we can explain, or we can discuss more on group there.
I'm here actually, no problem. So if you guys have any question, you can ask me in the group. So from the group we will reply you, no problem. And it seems you team already understood the full application very well because they don't have any question. So I hope they already understood the application very well. So moreover, if you need a video, we have a recorded video for this session. So if you need, we'll share this video with you guys also. And if you need any further assistance, definitely will help you. And for the next stage, if you want to do some exercise on the system, or you want to play with the system, we'll share a demo version with you guys, and you can do the practice on the application. So I hope they will get more idea when they will do the real-time practice on the application.
Yeah, so actually, I have already shared with them the demo version what we have, what you all have shared with us. So they'll be going through it. So anyway, so are we going to create a? No, we already have a group, separate group for this. So if there is a question, so they will definitely ask. So we will get in touch with you. So if there is anything like that.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Yeah. So guys, shall we wind up the call? Are you guys okay with the demonstration, or do you have any other questions? Now, if you have any questions, you can ask now. So otherwise, you can get back to me later.
Yep, all good here, Ruchir and Bahar. Thank you so much for your time and explaining.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, have a nice day.
Yeah, Bahar.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ruchir, for conducting this meeting, and we are very much pleased to have these lots of people in this meeting, like almost 8 to 9 members who joined in this meeting.
Yeah.
So hopefully, if you need any further meeting later, we can do the meeting later. Okay. So for now, you can. If you have any question or anything else, you can let us know by group. Okay. Thank you very much, and thank you all for attending this meeting.
Yeah, thank you very much, Baharul, for your time.
Okay,
So
you're welcome. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.